Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Bitbucket, complete guide step by step clearly. Next, go to the official Bitbucket website. Look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on that button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign up form. Fill in your details, including your email address. Create a strong password for your account. Choose whether to sign up with Google or another service if that's more convenient for you. After filling in the required information, click on the Sign Up button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Bitbucket. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Bitbucket website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will land on the Bitbucket dashboard. From there, you can start creating or joining repositories. Look for the Watch option, typically located near the top right corner. Click on the Watch button to receive notifications about updates. You can also adjust your notification settings in your account preferences. Explore the various options Bitbucket offers for collaboration and version control. If needed, consult the Bitbucket documentation for additional features. Now you are all set to start using Bitbucket effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.